Welcome to how to use and customize the Canvas course template. In this portion, we will discuss the template's instructions. The template instructions provide you with an overview of what is in the template, what options you have to customize the template, how the template was made, and what items are available in the template. From the home page of any course utilizing the template, select how to use this template from the middle of the screen. This page gives you multiple pieces of information about how to effectively use and adjust the template for your specific course. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.